we're starting out here on the 3rd fret of the low E string with a slight bend. Then we go to the open A string, the 3rd on the A string with slight vibrato. Then in quick succession, open D, 1st on the D, 2nd on the D. And we're back to the 3rd fret of the low E string. Then go back to the open A string, and the 3rd of the A string with slight vibrato. Then again 0, 1, 2 on the D string, then back to the 3rd on the low E string. Now we're going to play the open A string 4 times in quick succession. Then back to the 3rd fret on the A string with slight vibrato again. 0, 1, 2 on the D string, then back to the 3rd fret on the low E string. You're going to repeat that riff twice. So after we start on the 3rd fret of the low E string to start out this whole riff, but then we're going to play the open A string once, that riff, and then the open A string 4 times, that riff, and then we're going to repeat that open A string from the first time twice. So every time it should be the first note in every time should be 3rd on the low E, open A string 4 times, then back to the open A string once, then open A string 4 times, then back to the open A, then back to the open A 4 strings 4 times each. For the second part of this riff, we're going to be starting on the 2nd fret of the A string, play that, then onto the 5th fret of the A string with slight vibrato, then 2nd, 3rd, and 4th in quick succession on the D string, then over to the 5th fret of the low E string. Then we play the 2nd fret of the A string 4 times, then 5th of the A string, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th on the D string, and back to that 5th fret on the low E string. Then we go back to the open A string once, back to the 3rd on the A string, open 1, 2 on the D string, back over to the 3rd fret of the low E string, then open A 4 times, 3rd on the A, 0, 1, 2 on the D, then back over to the 3rd fret of the E. Quickly after that, play the open A power chord, which is the open A string, 2nd fret on the D string and G string.